Hi guys, thanks for watching. Elise makes a bunch of videos. I hope you enjoyed my morning walk on the beach. That was the second of the day so far. So it looks like my work exchange is quite easier than you'd think. There's that. Hi. This is a puppy. That's the puppy. Not really a puppy. Full-grown dog, just very small. Yeah, you're a pup. You're a pup. So my job is to walk that one and this one. Hello. Hello, are you a bumps? Hello, oh, you want belly rubs? Oh, you're all wet. You're all wet. Oh, look who's involved now. So yeah, I just took those two for a walkie. That's the whole job really. I'll come back at night and do it again. Feed them. This one is just, yeah, a little teddy bear. So this is their little house. They like to hang out in this little solarium. It just rained right after I got back, which was really nice. And this house is really cool. I don't know who this person is, but they seem like a good time. They've got a good collection of tequilas and things. So that's a good sign. But they've got an amazing view over here. What do you think? Is it a good view? Is it a good one? Is it nice? Doesn't know any better. Just thinks it's normal. So if you come out here, it's quite windy, but yeah, you can see the ocean back there. I don't know if you can see it on the phone. Probably just looks like a big white nothing. But yeah, so that's all the ocean behind me. Just sort of, that's it, that's the backyard. There's a little greenhouse. And like a barbecue. Hey Bubs, what do you think? Sneaky way down, is it? Is that a sneaky way down? Wow. So yeah, we just walk down that hill and then go along that beach. Boop, to that little end over there. Over there. Yep, that way. Can't see it, there's trees in the way, but it's about an hour, a little over an hour today, just because of showing me around where everything is. Yeah, so I've got that I will be doing this week. I'll be doing my shifts at the Pioneer, which will barely cover my fuel costs, but anyways, that's fine. I think I've already mentioned that. Yeah, Tiki Bar. Tiki Bar. What a cool spot. Yeah, whoever they are, they're cool. They've got these lights that are also pineapples. Look at their lights that are pineapples. Amazing. So good. So many of these little things too. I can't remember what they're called. The New Zealand bone hook thing. This one is like, who are you talking to? What? What's happening? That's all their food. Doggy food. And yeah. That's the tour. That's my job for the next few days, other than hanging out, really, between the rainstorms. Anyways, I hope you're doing well. Peace.